Hello, welcome to Deepaarogya AI. I'm Abhishek Pandey, founder and CEO of Deepaarogya AI. It is basically an AI-based hospital management system where we have 10 plus AI features which help doctors to reduce their documentation time by 80% and increase hospital revenue by 30%. We have we are a startup from IIT Madras incubation cell, and we have we are helping hospital to basically streamline their business and do the automation task so that they don't waste so much time on writing the e-prescription and manually doing those tasks. So we help them with our AI features, and this is our AI-based EMR. And Akash, he is my co-founder and CTO. Akash, you can introduce and let us brief all these solution and us.
Yes, hi. Thanks, Abhishek. So today I'm going to give you overview of our Deepaarogya AI EMR, right? So basically, we have built different modules based upon the specialty. Okay. Right now, if you can see our screen, we have different modules such as a lab, then nutritionist, then physiotherapy, radiology, right? Receptionist. So these are the models we can uh, integrate based upon the specialty. Right now, you can see we have physiotherapy. This is specially for orthopedics specialty, right? Now we have different solutions, IPD management, OPD management, and few AI features. So first I will start with the OPD, right? So OPD, if you can see, I am showing you one of our clients' real data to get an idea, right? So this is a screen. We are providing this access to the receptionist, right? If you can see, we have different people in our hospital, right? There are receptionists, duty doctors, doctors, head doctors, and different people. Okay. Now this information can be filled by two ways. One, a receptionist can create new appointment. Okay. They can create new appointment, add bill, and they will land upon this appointment page. So here if you can see, today we have scheduled 38 appointments, right? And we can see all details there, right? So who has booked first, he will be getting the token one. Okay. So first in, first output system. Who has not paid anything, they are getting like no token. Okay. And again, you can see the completed appointment. Thus, who has doctor has given the prescription, they will be considered as a completed prescription. Okay. So again, if you can check clearly, here are different information on the same screen. Like you can get the age, the gender, number of visit. This patient has visited third time, and the last visit was 11 days ago, right? And again, like case and diagnosis. Again, if you can see, we have one feature here which is called as a journey. This feature is basically used for multi-hospital, big hospital, where different departments are there, and they wanted to know at which step the patient is steps, right? And this is like we can do customizable thing, right? So if you see, we have nurse vital imaging lab, right? So we can clearly see at what time the lab information has entered the value, right? Module. So we are basically, finding and storing each and every journey information. Okay. So we will know like where is the patient right now. And these are the color codes we use. Green is like we are all good within the limited, I mean, specific time. Okay. Uh, we can do one more detailed session on the journey, like how to do configuration, but this is the main OPD UI you can see, right? Now again, if you go here, we have different features. One is like telemedicine, right? So we are providing you one telemedicine, I mean public URL. You can add this into your website. Okay, if you already have website, you can add it, and here you can book teleconsultation, right? And in clinic directly it will go to the WhatsApp. So this URL we are also providing. We are supporting teleconsultation service also, and all the values information filled by this form, it will directly reflect to our EMR. Okay, so here you have to fill all the detail. You will see the payment link, and based upon once the payment is confirmed, you can see the appointment here. Okay, now I will be going to the case sheet. I will open one of the patient. Let's say, let's take this patient. Okay, now this is a case sheet. Case sheet is a place where we are adding information to the patient. Uh, right. I mean, nurse can add some vital information. Okay. Duty doctor can add some complaints like this. Okay, if you can see, we have some red dot and green dot. This green dot is like we have filled the information. You can directly go here and check. This case sheet is basically designed to generate e-prescription within one click. Okay, so here you can see we have already created different template. There are different template. Now this is the one orthopedic specialist. Okay, so he has created different template. So what they can do, they simply select the template and all the things will be automatically pop up here. Okay, maybe investigation suggestion, right? Different medicine chief complaint. So this is a one click solution, and again this all is a customizable. We have, if you can see here, we have setting. You can select deselect the things which you wanted to, show on our screen, right? So this can be modified based upon the doctor practice, I mean their specialty. Okay, now again, as I said, you can customize each and everything. Let me just show you one medicine. Okay, again similar to the load template, you can also create different templates for medicine. Okay, and suppose the patient having some ankle sprain, then doctor can directly load this and automatically all the medicine will come here. Okay, now if you want to send this all medicine, what you can do, you can just click on preview. You will see all the medicine, right? You can click and tick all information you want. Again, if you can see here, the language is auto detected when we create a new appointment, right? That time we ask, we take based upon the location. This particular hospital is from Andhra Pradesh, so the mother tongue is Telugu, so it's automatically taking their mother tongue language. So you don't need to put anything manually. Okay, so it will automatically come. So this is the one feature we have. You can take print or you can directly send it to the WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the one case sheet feature. Again, there are different AI features we have here. Okay, uh, first I will show you the Deepaarogya AI clinical copilot. Okay, where we have two options. One is you can turn on the use patient data, where based upon the patient data we can ask any question. Right, let's say I have just asked this question. Okay, and it will consider all the patient data, and based upon that it will return the answer. Okay, you can turn it off and it will consider as a general healthcare chatbot. Okay, so both way we are supporting. Okay, you can ask different questions such as diet plan, right? Advice, any physiotherapy plan. So, like this, we have created this chatbot. Then the second feature we have is SOAP audio notes. Okay, so basically, we select the different template whichever you wanted to take notes, and we start the recording. Right now, I'm not doing this recording, but overall idea is the same. You can start recording. Whatever doctor and patient can speak, we can record it and save as a SOAP notes. Okay, and it can be saved directly to our notes. Okay, so there are two sections, the private notes and patient notes. So we are giving option to save to this particular notes. Okay, so that's the one feature. Another feature we have is patient summary. Now here if you can see the patient is visited 4 times, right? And you wanted to know overall summary, how is the progress? We just click on the generate patient summary and it will generate patient summary. Okay, so you get an idea of what is the right progress. So very short summary, right? And again you can check what is the history, the vitals, and if there is any record available, you can see, right? So these are the three features we have integrated within our one case sheet. Again, we have given one option here, bottom footer. If you can check patient overview, right? So patient overview is a all snapshot of a patient journey. Right now, you can see the patient has visited multiple times, right? So we are just showing all this information at one screen, the lab result, past vitals and visits, so you get an all idea, right? And even if you can check here, we have some trends, right? So if more than two values are available, we are showing the graph whether the vitals and how is the performance, it's going up and down. So you can see all information in one place. Okay, so this is all about the case sheet. Now again, just I will show you few options here. We have one option as a exercise. Okay, I mean this is we custom specially designed for orthopedics, but it can be extended to any other use cases. Okay, so let's say so, we can upload any images and we can load this exercise, right? So this is the one feature we have given. Again, another feature we have is body composition. Body composition analysis is basically useful when we have to do any surgery, right? Because we need to know what is their calories, right? And based upon the nutritions and diet, uh, they are going to cure from the disease, right? So body composition analysis is also very helpful. Okay, so if I check body composition analysis, let me check if the information. Okay, so okay, I think information is not here, but yeah, you will get body composition analysis. Similar, if you can see here, we have nutritionist, I mean, nutritional guide also based upon the all condition. So I will be covering this in the next section where we have a agent, nutritionist agent, which is basically, I mean, generating the diet based upon all the diagnosis and clinical history. Okay, so that's it for the OPD. Now I'm going to cover IPD section. Okay. So IPD section right now you can see all are null, but let me show my local to get you some idea. Okay. The IPD section how it look like. Okay. So okay, now if you can see the IPD section, here you can see all different patients in the IPD ward, right? We have different patient, then ward number, the diagnosis, and day, right? And here we have provided one support to discharge summary support. Okay, so this discharge summary is basically two ways. One is you can pass all the IPD data directly to our AI-based discharge summary API, and second one is directly upload the PDF. Some hospitals or clinicals they don't have that capacity. I mean, they are not using IPD and kind of software, right? So they directly upload the scannable PDF, and using that they can generate. So let me show you that discharge summary feature first. Okay, I'm showing my screen because uh, the previous account they don't have that information, right? So let me check one patient. Okay, now I hope it's visible. Yeah. Okay, now the first step here, discharge summary, we basically upload PDF. Okay, once the PDF uploaded, it will do some processing and it will show this option need review. Okay, so let me show. I'm not right now uploading, but let's assume that I have uploaded and after a few seconds I am getting the screen UID. I can click on this. Okay, so here you can see I have uploaded this PDF. Left side, it's loading right now. Okay, the right now we are supporting almost 100 to 200 pages PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF we have uploaded, and this PDF may be you can see the PDF, right? The quality of a PDF is directly proportional to the accuracy. If we provide good scannable PDF, then yeah, accuracy is more, right? So this is the PDF we have for one of the patient, right? And based upon this PDF we are generating the discharge summary. Okay, so right now on right side you can see we have generated the discharge summary, patient details, diagnosis, each and everything, right? Laboratory details, okay, course in a hospital, discharge summary, everything, right? And the second step is up, if you want to edit anything here, sometime AI make mistakes, so just you can click and edit the things and submit for approve and continue. Once you submit it, okay, let me do it. Okay, so it's submitted right now. It's doing okay. So once you submit it, you can see the final report like this. Okay, so this is our final discharge summary. Okay, and along with this, we are providing support for ICD codes. Okay, you can see different ICD codes extracted from this particular discharge document. Uh, Along with that, we have insurance summary also, right? We can submit this to the insurance provider, and also we are providing the revenue leakage analysis. So this analysis is basically it's giving some flags and suggestion like which things you need to do. Okay, so here if you can see length of a stay day is 2 days, but it's mentioned we have mentioned more days. So like that it's just giving some information, and based upon this we can just modify our discharge summary, and we will be getting more chances of approval rate, right? So this is one of the features, discharge summary, right? Now I'm going to show you another feature. Mm, Maybe before that I will go to the insights, and after that I will show you other feature. Okay. Now in the inside, basically we are right. We are storing all the different information, right? Like patient ratio, age, then medications, diagnosis, right? Each and every information is stored in the insights, demography, geography, right? So this is helpful to do analysis of your hospital. Then again, apart from this, just we have one more feature called as a chat with database. So based upon all the data, we can ask a question and it will generate answer, right? Like what are the trends, right? How many patient by gender, then how many patient based upon the diagnosis, right? Like this, we can ask a complex query. Right now, we are still improving this, but yeah, the basic version is ready. Then apart from this, like if you can go to the billing, you will see the detail dashboard, department wise billing, invoice wise billing, right? So all different billing information is present here. Then again we have one medical dosage calculator. This feature is basically I mean, it is in now beta stage, but overall idea is if you can go to one insulin calculator, right? Normally, so basically we have already mentioned the references how we have calculated this information, right? Again, like you can just put all the required information here, and it will give the correct suggestion based upon the values you fill here. Okay, just giving one example. Okay, so like I just in put few values randomly, and you can see what are the things we need to give, right? Uh, so like this insulin sliding. So there are more than 10 calculators are here, right? Dermatology calculator you can see, right? You get all information. Like this we have different calculator, and these calculators are directly integrated with our case sheet EMR. Okay, so you can directly use it. Okay, so another feature along with this we have one clinical assessment feature. Okay, so clinical assessment feature is basically we create one assessment form, and this form can be shared to the patient. Okay, this is one of the form we have created. If you fill all the information here, right? Let me show in short. Okay, so like this, you will get all form, right? And this can be customizable based upon the requirement. Now this is a orthopedic. We can design it for the cancer related things, diabetics, right? A number of a different specialty. Okay, so here we have added option. If some patient don't understand, they can just listen in their own language. Okay, it's explaining what exactly it is. You can select all the information, right? And it will basically give you the score at what stage your current knee condition is, right? So that feature also we have added, and this can be directly visible in our EMR. Okay, just showing you. So right, so like this, if you can see, we have got score 8 out of 41, and it's explaining all the information, what is the issue, right? What exactly need to do, or when should we contact to the doctor, right? Based upon your score you will get recommendation, right? And this information is stored in our EMR, right? So this is one of the feature. Again, like you can create your different templates here. You can send it. So uh, why this is helpful? Because you already get information when you open example. When you open such any patient, right? Here we already added this support here, clinical assessment. You can directly check here like what are the I mean what exactly disease the patient has, right? And it's saving your whole time, and you exactly get what issue it is, and we can directly load the template based upon the issue. Okay, so that's how it is clinical assessment we have done. Then I think one last thing is pending, which is let me show you the nutritional agent. I mean how we have designed. Okay, so there are basically three steps we are doing. One is like we are sending the information. Okay, this form is sent to your WhatsApp. Okay, and again they can select their language. Okay, they can select their state. Okay, this is just one nutrition assessment where we are getting all the information of patient, like what is the exact protein calories he has, right? So using this we are generating the diet plan. Okay, why this is like important? Because diet plan is only designed based upon the what he is eating. Okay, it's not like we are generating any random plan. Now example, the patient is eating idli, right? And he is from south. right? Let's take okay. Now you can see I have just loaded south, so you will see some like south menu. Okay, and based upon that, we are like getting all the information. They can select how much they eat, okay, and they submit the form. So sometimes patients are not that much educated. So on the behalf of patient, our nurse or duty doctor, they can help and they can fill. Okay, just I'm showing you one example. Okay, so right now you can see we have like a real-time calculation of calories and all things, right? How much water and sleep. Okay, so this kind of information we can submit. Once the information is submitted, we can see this form. Now again, this patient has came many times, so we can see previous visits, right? So yeah, information is already filled, right? So we can check all information, and we are passing this all information to our AI agent to generate an diet plan. Okay. Now again we have, like as I said, body composition analysis. Let me show you how it looks. This information is filled by nurse or nutritionist. Okay, so like if you can see, this is all body composition analysis. We are supporting this, and we are passing all the information while generating the diet plan, right? So we are not just like randomly generating. We understand what is the eating habit of the patient, what is their body composition, and based upon all this we are generating the diet. Again here if you can see, this is basically nutrition RX where we generate final diet plan. Okay, now here we have given three support. One is the smart auto. So I will talk about the load template and AI generate one. Okay, so here we have already created some templates. Okay, now let's say the patient is having some diabetic, some fracture, right? So these are pre-built templates. This will be modified based upon the patient nutritionist. Okay, I mean based upon patient calories and all all values. Okay, if we just load it, you can see. So here micro calories calculation and all you can see, right? So breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it's generated three different option. So what need to take in breakfast, lunch, right, dinner, snacks, and again this can be again customizable. You can change it. You can do n number of things. This is customizable. And second one is let me go with AI based feature, right? So this is the AI based feature. Again, this all information is directly fetched from case sheet. If you can see, like primary condition is a frozen shoulder. I have given option to select a meal. It's automatically took the South Indian, and right. So we just click how many meals we want, veg, non-veg, and if you have any suggestion, this can be handled by doctor or nutritionist. They can add any additional information here, and they can click on generate meal. Okay, it will take 2 to 3 minutes, and it will generate an nutritionist, I mean a diet plan. Okay, so these are the different features we have developed so far. So meanwhile, if anyone having questions, they can ask me. Once we get this output, I will. I think I almost covered all section, but yes, all things will be explained in detail. I mean, they are very in depth, but we can take another session, right? Probably. Okay, now you can see using AI, we have generated this diet guide plan. Okay, so before that, we have added this all information. Okay, so what is the intake gap? Why AI has choose this? Right, you can read it It has explained each and everything. What is the current eating versus your condition, body composition. Each and everything is explained here, and diet is generated. Okay. Again, you can modify this. So we have given option, right? Human in the loop. So that can be done. You can save it. You can save the prescription. You can preview it. This is the diet. Here the white space is for uploading image, right? So this is the diet plan has generated for this patient. Uh, can check daily calories and all. So this is the diet plan generated. Okay. So I think that's it. Again, one only thing is I can show you physiotherapy. Again, physiotherapy is one department, especially for orthopedics, right? So they have different sections, different visits for each person, right? Patient. Now, just I'm opening. Okay, now here you can see we are tracking each and every visit, every session of a patient. If you can check, the patient has come for one of the physiotherapy. An example here, he has one advanced bio rehab session, right? And he has 10 visit, right? So we are tracking each and everything. Again, this is again very high detail module. We can customize this protocol, and this can be used in different what I can say, different department also. You can extend this in cancer related specialty or any chronic disease, right? So this is, I think, all we have done. So you can ask questions if you have any questions.